Hi, I'm Dr. Bradley Nelson, author of The Emotion Code, creator of the Body Code and Belief Code systems.
And I'm Dr. Darren Weissman. I am the author of The Power of Infinite Love and Gratitude, Awakening to the Secret Code of Your Mind and the Heart of the Matter. I'm the founder and the developer of the Lifeline Technique.
And we would like to invite you to discover the power of emotional healing. Emotions play a significant role in our lives, influencing our thoughts and actions and our overall well-being. What if you could harness the transformative energy of your emotions and use it to heal, grow, and thrive?
And that's what emotional healing is all about. It is a groundbreaking approach that combines cutting-edge science, ancient healing arts that have been around for thousands of years, quantum physics, all into an integrative process that allows you to transform your life so that you can thrive with joy in your heart.
So Darren and I would like to invite you to join us in Costa Rica for an unforgettable retreat. You'll experience a carefully curated program designed to immerse you in the world of emotional healing. It's going to be amazing. And here's a glimpse into what awaits you.
So at this retreat, you're going to have the opportunity to learn and experience the Lifeline Technique. The Lifeline Technique is an integrative system that brings together Chinese medicine and the 5-element theory, integrates quantum physics and psychoneuroimmunology, EMDR, NLP, neuroemotional technique, all into one unified system so that you can process reactive patterns of limiting beliefs, negative thought patterns that have been keeping you from living your best life.
And I will be introducing you to the Emotion Code, which is a transformative approach to emotional healing that focuses on identifying and releasing the energy of the emotional baggage that you have, that you've been carrying around all of your life. And some of that emotional baggage might have even been received from an ancestor. So we're going to be looking at that as well. And so trapped emotions are really energetic imprints from past experiences, and they can really disrupt your emotional well-being and even manifest as physical pain. The underlying causes of things like depression and anxiety and phobias and panic attacks and PTSD and eating disorders and self-sabotage of all kinds. And so it's a very gentle and non-invasive technique. And through this, you're going to learn how to identify and release these trapped emotions. That is really going to allow you to have a greater sense of freedom and clarity and vitality, as well as improved health.
So not only are you going to experience and learn how to use these techniques and tools for yourself and with other people, but you're going to be able to participate in group sessions. We're going to come together as a collective and process these different patterns that we all share on one level or another, patterns that live within the epigenetic programs of our mind, body, relationship, so that you can discover and live with inner peace and present time consciousness.
So Darren and I are going to be running some really profound workshops where we're going to share our wisdom, our insights, and our practical techniques from both the Emotion Code and the Lifeline Technique. And these workshops are going to provide you with the tools and knowledge that you need to transform your emotional landscape and create lasting change for yourself.
Amazing. And the amazing thing is we're going to be in Costa Rica, Brad. And so you're going to have an opportunity to experience incredible, breathtaking excursions. Taking of the rainforest and the beautiful beaches and zip lining and just coming together with community from people all around the world. So excited to share this with you.
Yeah, the seating is limited at this event, by the way, and it's going to sell out really fast. So we hope that you'll come and join us in Costa Rica. It's going to be amazing. You can find more information at the link below, and we look forward to seeing you there. It's going to be a transformational event that probably none of us will ever forget, I'm sure.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking forward to sharing that with you, Brad, and everyone that joins us on this incredible journey.
Absolutely. All right. See you there.